New year, new beginnings, a fresh start. But for many businesses, the start of the year brings a familiar challenge: navigating a complex web of processes and systems. Our enterprise information management platform and process optimization framework is a powerful solution that streamlines your operations and empowers your team for digital transformation. With over 100 integrated modules, our platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools to optimize every aspect of your business, from data management and process automation to customer engagement and analytics. As an integrated platform as a service, iPaaS, our solution seamlessly connects your existing systems, eliminating data silos and improving efficiency. Imagine a workplace where data flows freely, processes are automated, and employees are empowered to make data-driven decisions. That's the power of our platform. Ready to unlock your company's full potential? Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how our EIM platform can help you achieve your business goals in the new year.